Still only 44, 43 have joined. In the last class, we discussed about this numerical. Hope screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This numerical we have solved in the next class. In the half, we have calculated for first member and second member component of force. Hope everybody got the same answers. For F1 and F2, we have calculated values as for F2 value is 2236 in the compression zone. Initially, we get the negative value and then substituted back into the equation number 1. So Fm will be of F1 will be of 2000 Newton. That is in the tension. That will be a positive value. Oh. In the last class, we have solved this numerical. How to get the values? How you get the theta value? That is by tan inverse value. We don't know theta value, but we know the dimensions. Horizontal is 2 meter, vertical is of 1 meter for triangle, and horizontal is of 2 meter. By applying the tan rule, 1 divided by 2, are equal to tan inverse of the dimensions ratio. That gives theta value as 26.56, and then that theta value is substituted in the equation. Summation of Fx equal to 0 for only the joint E, that is joint E. Here it is mentioned. Summation of Fx is horizontal force in the member CE and horizontal force because of member ED. That is, if this is the case, the angle is calculated. The cos theta will be horizontal component of DE. Therefore, that is given as summation of Fx equal to minus F1 and minus F2 cos 26.56 is equal to 0. Because why both are considered to be negative sign? Because both are in the towards the left direction. If you see the top resolution of the structure, joint E is resolved as at E is end joint. X direction, positive value will be considered toward right and negative value towards the left. And Y value, positive value will be upward and negative value will be downward. In this case, we'll be having F1 and F2 both in the negative direction, that is towards the left. Therefore, while writing in the equation, we'll be considering it to be negative only. Okay. So, minus F1 and minus F2 cos theta. This is equation number 1, in which there are two unknowns. Therefore, you cannot solve the equation. Therefore, you need to write for summation of Fy is equal to 0. Summation of Fy is equal to 0 can be done as 1000 Newton is acting downward. Therefore, minus 1000 minus F2 is also acting downward. Therefore, minus F2, this side, vertical side you need to write, that is towards the 1000. Therefore, the angle of sine will be, the angle will be sine theta degree, that is 26.56 degrees. Therefore, substitute in the second equation, only unknown will be of F2. Remaining all known values are numbers. Therefore, calculate the F2 value. F2 value while calculating, it will become minus 2236.46 Newton. Round figure you can write 2236. That too in the compression. If it is a negative sign, then you need to write in the compression zone. Okay. Next, equation number 1. Consider equation number 1 and substitute the F2 value in the equation 1 and calculate the F1 value. F1 value will be of 2000 Newton. Therefore, we will be getting a positive value of 2000, which will be of in the tension zone. Once this is done, you can go for next joint. That is, E joint is done. For member 1 and member 2 we are calculated. If I consider C joint, there are 2 members are joining. So it is difficult to calculate because only one known value and remaining 3 will be unknown. We are having 2 equations. Therefore, it will be difficult to calculate. So I can calculate for D. Why? Because there are 3 members are joining. But already one member is calculated force is there. Axial force is already calculated for D member. Remaining is 3 and 4 members are remaining. Therefore, 2 unknowns will be there in the joint D. Therefore, I can consider joint D and calculate for the member forces. Consider joint D. Once you done in 2000, consider joint D. Whose mic is mute? Ramesh. Okay. Consider joint D. There are 3 still. Prathamesh, mute your mic. Consider joint D. There are 3 members are joining. That is F2, F3 and F4 you can write. Member 2, 3 and 4 are joining. Calculate the member forces. F2 is already calculated. That is 2300, 2236 is already calculated. Okay. Then you need to calculate for F3 and F4. Again, same condition. Summation of Fx equal to 0, summation of Fy equal to 0. Write summation of Fx equal to 0. One second. Considering summation of Fx minus F4, that is horizontal member which is connecting to the support, minus F4 plus F2 cos theta. F2 already we have calculated. Angle will be of theta degrees. If I see the original diagram, if you see the diagram at D point, D E is already calculated value, already for 2 we have calculated. D B is unknown value and D C is unknown value. There will be 2 unknown values. Therefore, write expression for this horizontal member. And that can be calculated as F4 will be of 2000 Newton, that is horizontal force, and write summation of Fy is equal to 0, that is F3 plus the F2 is in the upward direction, therefore it is plus F2 sine 26.56, that is theta. Calculate F3 values, that is 1000 Newton. F4 is a negative 2000, therefore it is in the compression zone, and F3 is positive, therefore it is in the tension zone. Hope everybody is getting the same answers. Because of some problem in the smart board, we are showing the solved numerical directly to you people. Otherwise, we'll be solving on the board only. Tomorrow onwards, we'll be solving on board only. So that will be easy to understand for you people. Just now, because of technical error, I'll be showing you direct solved numerical. Hope you are getting the same answers. Try to solve on your papers. Don't listen to the numericals, because until and unless you solve on paper, it will be not easy to understand. Once you practice, then it will be easy to understand. Okay? Once you are done with this point, then we can go for calculation of remaining members. F3 and F4 is done. Then F5 and F6 you need to calculate. And that can be done as F5 and F6 is by considering the C joint. Now E joint is done, D joint is done. E joint gives value for 1 and 2 member, and D joint gives 3 for 3 and 4 member. 5 and 6 2 members are remaining. By considering the joint C, you need to calculate the value for 5 and 6. So that can be done as write summation of Fx for C joint. At C joint, we are having summation of Fx equal to F1 plus 6 cos theta and 5 cos theta. Whereas these two will be negative and 1 will be positive. And 5 and 6 will be negative values. Summation of Fx equal to F1 minus F5 cos theta minus F6 cos theta. In this, F1 is known value, F5 is unknown value, and F6 is unknown value. Therefore, equation can be kept as it is. We cannot solve directly. Therefore, you can write equation as it is. Then write summation of Fy is equal to 0. Summation of Fy from the figure, if I write, considering C joint, summation of Fy is F3 is a negative because it is downward. Fy is negative. Why? Because it is downward. And F6 is upward. That is positive value. And these two depends upon our previous conditions. We can rewrite expression as minus F3 minus Fy sin theta plus F6 sin theta. F3 is calculated value. Already F3 we have calculated, that is 1000. So substitute as it is 1000 value. And then Fy is unknown, F6 is unknown. This can be written as equation 2 and 3 by calculating these two unknowns from two equations. You can directly type values in the calc and find out values of Fy and F6. And the value will be Fy will be 0.24 you will get from the calc. If it is 0 point value and all, compared to your 2000 and 1000 member forces, 0.24 is a negligible value, therefore we'll be writing it as a zero force member. Nearly equal to 0 it is. Therefore, we'll be writing the value to be 0. Summation of Fy will lead to the equation number 3. Summation of Fx lead to equation number 2. Substitute both the value in the calc and calculate Fy and F6, both the unknown values. As Fy is negative 0.24 as compared to your other forces, that is F1, F2, F3, F4, all are in the range of 2236 and 1000. But the Fy value is 0.024. Therefore, the Fy is negligible quantity as compared to other values, and it is considered to be a zero force member. And F6 is positive value, that is 2236 Newton. The positive value indicates the tension member. Verify we are getting the same answers or not. Once you are done with this, pardon? Once you are done with this one, we'll start with one more numerical. Hope everybody is getting same answer, yes or no? Post your, if you are getting different answers in the chat box. If you are done with this one, we'll start with next one. Now the next numerical. A, B, C, D, E is a trust member. And AB is base. AB is of base. AC and BD are the inclined members. With 45-degree angle, and BC is vertical member. Whereas CED is a triangle at the top, and angle of the triangle is of 45 degree and 45 degree. Similar triangle is there. The angle of all corners will be same for the top triangle. You need to find out the member forces for all the members, or axial forces for all the members. First, identify which are the zero force members. First numerical we have solved by applying one load from the in-between point, and half portion was zero force and half portion was having the member forces as per the calculations. Now, can I identify what all the members which are having the zero forces without calculating any member forces, just by visibility? Always, whenever the trusses are given on base, at that time don't consider the base members or the base values, that is AB member. Do not go for calculation of such components because it will be completely based and it is a fixed support. You cannot calculate the values. Any answers for zero force member? Somebody is posting something.
BC and CD.
Suchit is member BC, he is saying, which is a zero force member. Any other answers? By seeing at your truss only, you can say the truss member is having any force member or not.
CD.
CE.
CE.
CE and ED.
CE and ED. Okay. Any other answers? 2-3 people are answering. What about others? बाकी के सो गए क्या? बाकी 50 लोग हैं. ये आंसर करते जाओ, तभी तो कुछ समझोगे.
CENCD.
Prathamesh, CENCD. Pranjal Patil has left. Somebody has said CE and CD are two members where the forces will be 0. Yes, you are correct. First, consider where two members are joining. Maximum unknown should be of 2. If you consider A and B join, you will be not able to solve the numerical. Why? Because there is a fixed end. Therefore, no need of solving the numericals by considering the A and B joints. Now, if I consider C, there are 4 members. 1, 2, 3, and 4 members are joined. Therefore, it is not easy to solve. If I consider D joint, it will be of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here also 4 members are joining, or 3 members and 1 load is acting. 1 is known and 3 is unknown values are there. Therefore, you cannot solve. Next is E joint I can consider and solve the numerical where only 2 members are joining. Therefore, consider joint E. Consider joint E. If I draw the diagram for joint P, it will be like two members. If I consider this will be of 45 degree, this will be of E joint. There is no other forces acting on this one. Therefore, I can write expression as summation of CE and FDE. There are 2 forces, both will be of 0 forces. Therefore, we can write CE is equal to 0 and FDE is also 0. Because there is no other forces are acting. If you write summation of fx and summation of fy is equal to 0, then your conditions all will be of 0 only. Therefore, both values will be 0 only for the E member at E joint. Next, you need to consider joint B. Joint B and the values can be calculated as joint D. There are 3 members are joining at joint D. One is horizontal, another is 10 kilonewton is acting downward, and inclined member is of what? Joining to B point. That is BD, and this is FCD. Here there are 3 unknowns. One is of another inclined member, which will be of 0 force member. That no need to calculate. As per our calculation, this is not necessary at all. Which is of vertical member, not inclined That was vertical member which was having 0 force. Or I can write directly the number as 0 force. So therefore, no need of considering the DE member because it is 0. Therefore, I am not considering. Remaining members I can consider and write the expression as summation of Fx equal to 0. Summation of Fx equal to 0 and expression can be written as FCD is acting towards the left, therefore it has to be minus FCD. And minus BD is also acting towards left, therefore, and this angle is given already in the diagram, which is 45 degrees. Therefore, FBD, the angle will be of cos 45 degrees. Any other components which has to be calculated in the x direction? There is no other components, therefore you can write. There are two unknowns in the one equation, therefore you cannot solve. Keep as it is equation with 1. Then write summation of Fy equal to 0. And equation can be rewritten as 10 kN is acting downward and BD is also acting downward. Therefore, you can write minus 10 minus BD sin theta, that is 45 degree, is equal to 0. Solve this one and find out what will be the FBD value.
FDB 14.14 kilonewton.
14.14
kilonewton. Compression load.
FBD is 14.14 kilonewton, which is a positive or negative?
Negative compression.
Negative value, therefore it has to be written as 14.14 kilonewton compression. C is indicating the compression member, which means BD direction should be changed. That should be of the compression member. Okay. Once you find out the FBD value, substitute this value in the equation number 1 and find out FCD value.
Sir, FDB is 9.99 kilonewton.
10 kilonewton.
Sound figure 10.
Which one?
FDC.
FD. FCD is 10 kilonewton.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Substitute in equation number 1, which is already written in the top. Substitute in this one for BD value and then calculate FCD. That is 10 kilonewton, I think, which is a positive value of tension member. Therefore, in bracket write as T. That is a tension member. This is from equation number 1. Once you got the FBD, FCD, FC, then we can calculate for what is the member remaining in your truss. These two became 0. This is 10 kilonewton is low, and this is of compression member, and this is of tension member, that has to be the opposite sign. Next remaining is AC and BC. Suppose AC and BC two values are remaining that can be calculated by considering the C joint. Therefore, write for C joint. Considering C joint. Draw the diagram for C joint. There are four members are joining, out of which one is already 0, which is CE. That has not drawn, remaining I can draw as this is of CD. FCD is horizontal. FBC is vertical. And one more inclined member is joining, that is FCA. There are three members are joining, this is of 45 degree. And one more inclined member is there, that is of 0 force, therefore I will be not drawing for that. Only 3 I can draw. This will be of C joint. Therefore, summation of Fx and summation of Fy you can write for this joint as first I will be doing for summation of Fx. Summation of Fx is equal to 0, and that can be given as FCD is in the positive direction, that is towards right. Therefore, I can write FCD positive. Then minus FCA, this value, and angle would be of sin 45 degree because you need to consider in this direction. Sin theta as 45 degree directly you can write. That is of 45 degree is equal to 0. FCD is already known value which I have calculated. Here it is already calculated value, that is 10 kilonewton. Substitute that one and find out FCA value. What will be the FCA value? Sin 45 is known value, only unknown is FCA. That it can calculate. That will be a post value, I think.
Sir, FCA equals to 14.14
14.14.
kilonewton.
14.14.
14 kilonewton at 2 in the tension zone by positive value. It is a tension zone. Once you find out FCA, remaining is of FBC, that can be calculated by considering summation of Fy. Summation of Fy is equal to 0, and expression can be written as FBC is acting towards down, therefore I can write minus FBC, and minus FCA is also in the third quadrangle, or we can write this is also a negative value, that is FCA. Here it is of cos 45. So value is same. Cos or sin 45 degree value will be same. But you need to write as for the which component you are considering. I can write.
Sir, FBC equals to minus kilonewton.
That is
Minus 10 kilonewton.
9.
FBC equal to
Minus 10
minus
kilonewton.
10
10 kilonewton.
kilonewton minus 10 kilonewton. And then If it is a minus, then you need to write as 10 kilonewton in terms of compression zone. All members are over. CA is tension and BC is compression. Hope it is clear for everyone how to calculate the compression member as well as tension members. There is no doubt in this one. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime with respect to the subject related as well as with respect to any other components in your class. I'll give a numerical for you people to solve. Try to solve at home. It will be an exercise assignment for you people to complete at home. If you are not getting the answers, then we will be solving in the next class. It will be uploaded in your Google class. Simple first problem we are solving with respect to the same. One is roller support and another is hinge support. This is A, B, C, D, and E. At D, 10 kilometer load is applied, and at E, 20 kilometer load is applied. This is of 3 meter, and this is of 5 meter. And vertical is of total 4 meter. All values and dimensions on the ID and the angles on the. This is of right angle triangle. So we have 45 degree. This is of 45 degree. Same dimensions. So I'll give dimension only directly. This inclined length will be of 4 meter. And this inclined length will be of 3 meter. And this will be of 4 meter. Now all dimensions are given. The loading condition is given. One is roller support and another is hinge support. Hope you can solve this numerical. You need to solve at home. and upload in the Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll be creating a assignment in the Google Classroom. There you can upload, and then your attendance will be considered from that only for assignment purpose. Okay. Sure. This is it from my end for the day. Tomorrow we'll continue the next method, that is section method. Try to solve this numerical. If you are facing any problem, you can contact me anytime so that we can solve the numerical as per your requirement. Fine. You can post your roll number and you can leave. And the people who are not attending regular classes, your attendance is falling down. Especially, I have mentioned 4 names. First week, they have. If you are not attending classes, your attendance will fall down again at the end of the semester. You will be facing the problem. Therefore, keep in your mind that you need to attend the regular classes.